In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. With that in mind, let's get right into it. So I currently have around $6,000 in my Binance balance, and I'm going to show you how to withdraw that money directly to your bank account. Step 1. Go to Assets Greater Than Spot, and on the right side, you'll see the Withdraw button. Click on that. Next, on the left side of your screen, click on Withdraw Fiat. As you can see, here you can withdraw money in your local currency. In my case, I live in Europe, so my local currency is euro. If you live in the United States, you'll see US dollars and so on. The available payment methods may vary depending on where you live, but most of us will have the bank transfer option. I'll choose bank transfer, SEPA instant, since it's the fastest for me. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. In my case, I'll click on max to withdraw everything, then click preview order. You'll now need to confirm your order using your Google Authenticator code and the email verification code. After confirming, you'll see a message saying, "Withdrawal order submitted," and that's it. Now you just need to wait a little and check your bank account for the funds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.